In this video, we are assembling the s'more box. So I've already put on my panel pieces. You'll note on several of the pieces, 3 of them, there's an L for lower, and it's also on this piece, L. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start by putting these together. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. I'm just going to tuck these tabs inside. Just trim this off on these 4 sides here. Sorry, I'm talking softly, so I'll try to speak up. So then we just need to glue these tabs down. I'm going to start first opposite each other. I'm just pushing down on the table here. Go ahead, and I'm going to hit these other 4 tabs. Okay, now that I've got everything in place. So this is a fairly decent sized box, and this is 4 inches square. Then for the very bottom, you're just going to put this on to cover up. Cover up the opening. And I put the glue on the piece that had the hole in it so that I would not have glue showing in here. I didn't want to make a mistake and put glue on the whole thing. So that was pretty quick and simple, and that's the bottom of your s'more. And then I've already done my marshmallows and chocolate. These are 2 separate panel pieces here. And I inked the outside with brown and put my dripping chocolate on. So now I'm just going to close up this piece. And then we do the same thing for the top. We're going to just tuck all the edges in here. Turn them up. And then apply glue to the tabs. I'm going to go opposite each other here to start to get it anchored into place. And then start working on the others. Just rub your finger around the edges and get everything to stick. Apply the cover for the center and put the glue on the piece that has the opening in it. Pressure all the way around there. And then you've got your graham cracker crusted top to put on. Again, I would apply glue to the piece with the holes in it. Turn it over and apply some pressure. Quick and simple box. That is a fun s'more. Thank you for joining me.